Hi guys, it's me, Caleb.
Where are we at, Caleb?
Yeah.
We're at the beach. We're at Castaway Cay, aren't we?
We're at Disney World.
Yeah, we are on a Disney cruise ship, and we stopped here at Castaway Cay. So we're gonna do a bug hunt, aren't we?
Yeah.
Look, oh, that's a great stick. Let me see. Oh, did you see the seagulls?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna look through some of these rocks. You gotta look in here and see if you can see any. You look over in this area. Oh, look, we might see like a hermit crab or something.
Where's she at?
Oh, Caleb, what if we see a lizard?
So?
Yeah, I bet they're hiding. Let's look over this way. Come on.
I'm hidden.
Let's see, they might be hiding. You think they're back here?
I think they're back right
here? Okay. Let's look back here. Whoa, that's cool. Look, Caleb, it's like a little cave. Come look. Look back there. It's like a giant cave.
Whoa.
It's like a bug cave. Can you put your stick down there? Whoa.
It's this rock.
You know what that rock looks like? It looks like a brain. It does.
It doesn't.
All right, let's go find Daddy and see if he wants to help us find some bugs. You want to?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. I think we can find some bugs at. In the sand? Maybe. You want to dig it up and see if there's anything in the sand there? Oh! Whoa! Whoa! You're having so much fun. Look, you found something. Look. Look, he almost dropped it. Right there. What is that? Can you pick it up and see what it is? Is it a bug? Let me see. Oh, it dropped. What is that?
A seashell.
It's a seashell. Cool. Oh, I thought it was a bug. All right, let's keep looking. Let's go find Daddy. Uh-oh, Captain. Don't look at his shirt. I know. It's a croc. Shelling by? Was that cool?
You had to take open.
That is so pretty. Oh, did you guys notice Mickey on the back of the ship? Let me zoom in here. That is cool.
It's so cool.
Oh, wow, it is. It's like the perfect day. Look at the sign, Aubrey.
I know.
Welcome to Castaway Cay. Look at the bird, Caleb. Where are you fixing to eat now?
Mickey Mouse.
Look, Caleb. All right, so Daddy and Caleb, what are you guys building?
We're going to build a castle.
A big, giant one?
I don't know. We're going to see.
Okay. What? Is that Mickey ears on your
Shovel?
shovel? Let me see.
Because it's from Disney.
That's right.
Help me, Aubrey.
You gonna dump it out? You gotta fill it all the way up and then dump it out. Yeah, fill it to the top. Okay, let's see which kind of sandcastle you made. You gotta lift it all the way up.
Okay, use the big
Whoa! Look, what's wrong?
Whoa.
That is so cool.
Wow.
So let's try to put one in here.
Smile, Aubrey.
Mommy, looking for wallow sand in there.
What?
Wallow sand.
Water sand in there?
Wallow.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in that big hole right there. Daddy's gonna finish making it.
Don't break it, but
Man, you did a good job.
You did it. High five. You did a great job.
Ready?
All by yourself. All right, here we go. Wait.
right there, right there,
Where?
right there.
Where are we gonna put it, Caleb? Right here?
No, look at
Oh no!
It's not really staying.
You gonna fill it all the way up?
I'm gonna try. try. I'm gonna hurry.
Ooh, it's so cold, Aubrey. What do you mean it's not that cold anymore? Holy moly.
It's like fun.
Hey, can you do some splashes? Ah! Whoa. You gonna swim? Hey, Caleb, swim towards me. You look like a turtle. Destroy this side, and Aubrey is going to destroy this side. Are you ready? 1. Oh! Oh! It wasn't 3. All right, Caleb, hurry. This one. Hurry. Oh! Good job. Hey! Hey! Hey, turn around, Caleb. Let me see you. Is it cold? I told you.
Hey, Caleb, come here, buddy. You gotta get your life jacket on.
What'd you find? Oh, that's cool. That's really.
I don't know how.
Daddy will help us here in a minute, okay?
Daddy, can you tell me if you're about sandcastles?
Yep.
Oh, he said yes. What'd you find now?
Whoa.
Whoa. Caleb, do you know what that is up there on that picture? That's a stingray. Is that cool? That's a stingray. They're all in the water over here. You want to go look at them?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let's go look. Hi, Sissy.
Hi.
Caleb, look at that brown thing over there. Let's go check it out. Come on. That is a coconut. Look.
Human question.
Oh man.
Ew.
Ew, what is it? Gross. That's just the coconut shell. Let's look up in the trees. You see any coconuts in the trees? I don't see any. Let's keep.
Hey!
What? What is it? What did you see? What's in there? What is that? Whoa, look at this. Ew! You should go scare Daddy with it. Here. It's like a hand. All right, let's go get him. That's so funny. It looks like little fingers.
Yeah.
Alien fingers. Okay, let's go. I don't know that if there's any bugs on this beach. Do you think they're all hiding? You do?
And the stingray is not hiding.
The stingrays aren't hiding now. Think there's any bugs up in that tree? Oh, look, Caleb, I spotted a coconut. Yes, come here, see if you can spot it. It's way up in the tree. Can you see it? That's right, that green coconut. Good job. Oh, look at all those colorful boats. Do you know what colors those are?
Let's go together.
Okay, that is yellow, green, and blue. Caleb just wants to scare his daddy with his alien finger stick. All right, here we go. I see Daddy up there. Okay, Caleb. Caleb. Shh, gotta be very quiet. Don't let him see you. Hey, Dad. Have you seen Caleb? Ah! Okay, there's our bus. We gotta get on our bus. Hurry. Okay, you gotta put our sticks down for the next friend so they can play with them. All right, let's go. Get on the bus. Here we go. Wow. Bye-bye, Castaway Cay. Did you have fun here?
Yeah.
But we didn't find any bugs.
But that's okay.
That's okay. We found an alien finger stick, didn't we? Yeah, and you scared Daddy.
Yeah.
All right, there's our ship. Hey, do you think there's any bugs back there?
Oh, we so happy.
We did. Look. All right, Caleb, did you have fun?
Yeah, we're going inside.
We're going back to the ship. What? We didn't find any bugs, did we? No.